Welcome to Wolf E-commerce YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn that how we can create our Amazon Seller Central account. So search on Google Amazon Seller Central. If you are going to create your account in UK or USA, you can just type USA or UK. This is the home page. Now from here, if you will click on sign up, then Amazon will charge $39.99 fee from your bank account. This is called the subscription for Amazon Professional Seller account. Doesn't matter you are going to create your professional account on your personal detail or on your LLC detail. If you want to create your Amazon seller account individual, house monthly fee is $1. So just click on learn more and then you have to click on pricing. Just scroll down from here. You will see here Amazon individual and professional plan and features included in Amazon individual and professional. So from here you will see sign up option of sign up for Amazon individual account and sign up for Amazon professional account. So if you want to create your Amazon individual account, then specifically you have to come here and you have to click on sign up for individual. If you have already Amazon buyer account, you can also use your details to create your Amazon seller account. For that you will just need to sign in here because we are going to create new Amazon account. So we will click on create your Amazon account. Here you have to write your name, your complete name as it is on your passport or on your national ID, and then you have to write here email address. The email address that is new, it will be good if you create a new email to create your Amazon account, and then here to have put any password. So I'm just writing the password here. So and then click on next. Amazon will send OTP containing code 6-digit code on your email address. So just go to your email inbox that you have used to create your Amazon seller account in the previous step. Just copy that OTP code and paste it here to proceed. So I'm just waiting for the OTP. As I will receive the OTP, I will put OTP here and then we will proceed to the next step. So in this video we will talk about all the things we have to keep in mind while creation of Amazon seller account to avoid suspension issue. So I have received the OTP. I will put the OTP here and now I will click on create your Amazon account. Click on create your Amazon account and on next page you will see this interface. Here are some informations from Amazon. You can read that Amazon will verify your address by sending a postcode OTP on your physical address, and all the information that would be submitted like your credit card information, your passport, your national ID card information. If you are going to create your Amazon account on LLC, then bank account of your LLC, the EIN number of your LLC. Okay, after that you have just to click on begin. First step, here is business location. So if you are going to create your Amazon seller account from USA, you have to select USA. You have, if you are going to create your Amazon account from Canada or UK, you have to just select your business location where you are living, because we are going to create individual account and we are going to create this Amazon seller account from Pakistan. So I will just click on country location as a Pakistan. So after selecting the business location, you have to select the business type. Doesn't matter, keep in mind, if you are going to create your Amazon individual account on your personal detail, then you have to click on none. I'm an individual. So and if you are going to create your Amazon individual account on your business detail, like you have LLC in USA or you have to LTD in UK, you have just you have to just click on privately on business. And if you are going to create your Amazon professional account, you will proceed same. If you are going to create your Amazon professional account on your personal detail, then you have to click on none. I'm an individual. And if you are going to create Amazon professional seller center on your LLC detail or on your business detail, then you have to click on privately owned business. So keep these things in your mind. These are the most common errors that appears and the cause your Amazon account deactivation. So I'm going to create my Amazon account on my individual detail, my personal detail. So I will select none, I'm an individual. But if I would like to create my individual I would like to create my Amazon seller account on my LLC detail, then I would select privately owned business. And here you have to write your first name, your middle name, and your last name, same as it is on your passport or on your national ID card. After that, I will click on agree and then agree and continue. So it will take a few seconds to proceed to next Amazon page. Okay, so here you have to provide your personal information. If you are going to create your Amazon account on your LLC detail, the Amazon will ask about EIA number for of your company LLC, because I'm going to create my Amazon individual account on my personal detail. So Amazon will ask only my personal information. So I will write down my name, first name, and last name, and then I will select country for of citizenship. Because I am from Pakistan, I will select Pakistan. If you are going to create your Amazon account from USA or Canada, you will just select USA or Canada where from you belong. So and also country of birth, same Pakistan, and then I have to put here my date of birth. So all this information should be accurate. Keep in mind, all of this information should be accurate. There should be no mistake here. If you will create any mistake here, it will cause account suspension, or maybe Amazon will not allow you to create your Amazon seller account. From here you have to select the option passport or national ID card. What would you like? Both will work same. So I'm going to use my national ID. I will select national ID and country of issue is also Pakistan. So I just selected the country Pakistan, and here I have to write my national ID and then date of expiry as it is on your national ID. If you are going to your passport, then you have to write your passport number and expiry of your passport. So here we go on next step. You have to provide a residential address. I'm just making clear all things to you. If you are going to create your business account, then Amazon will ask your business address for of your LLC. So because I'm creating this Amazon seller account on my personal details, so Amazon is just asking me to provide my residential address. Here I will write my address, which is written on my passport or on my ID card, and the zip code and state and the region in address line 2. If you can provide more details about your address, and maybe sometime become Amazon will send OTP postcard on your address to verify your address. It would take sometimes 7 days and sometime a week or 2 week to send that OTP address on your residential address. So you have to just provide here exact address where you can receive the postal code from Amazon. So I'm going to write here my zip code, and then I will write the address line 1 as it is written on my national ID card. So it will be easy for me to get this account activated without any errors and without any suspension. After writing your complete address, you have to write your phone number. So I have just write my phone number in the tab, and then I will click on send SMS. Amazon will send a 6 digit pin on your mobile number that you have written just here. This is only for security purpose for login. So this is the OTP that I have received. I will provide the program address in the next minute, my phone number with my Amazon Self Central account, and then I will click on next. Okay, on next page, you have to provide your payment information. You have to write your right here your credit card number, the expiry date on the credit, put that OTP here, and then I will just click on verify to verify card, and then card holder name and the name that is written on card, and also the billing address. If your billing address is same as your residential address, you can just write the same address here. But if your billing address is different from your residential address, then you have to click on add a new address. So I will write here my credit card number details. You can also use your debit card. If you don't have credit card, then also you can use your debit card. To Amazon will just cut his fees from your credit card or debit card, whatever it is. But keep in mind, your credit card should be credit card or debit card should be activated for e-commerce online payments, so it will be easier for Amazon to detect amount from your credit card. So I have just written my credit card number. No, I have to select there here the expiry date on my credit card. So this is, let me check it out. So after expiry date, you have to write your name as it is on your credit or debit card. Then you just have to click on next. Okay, second, okay, here you have to provide your store and product information. You can select any store name from here. Can just write your name, your LLC name, anyone you like, but keep in mind this is editable. That when you means that when your Amazon seller account will be ready, then you have just change your store name, so there is no need to worry about that. After that you have to click on no. Do you click on no and then click on next? Just wait a second. If you are see this type of error, just click, just refresh the page and again click on next. Okay, so this is the identity information part. Here you have to upload your bank statement and also your national ID card if you are going to create your Amazon seller account on your national ID card, and if you are going to create your Amazon account on your passport, then you have to upload your passport pictures here. So I am going to create my Amazon seller account on my national ID, so I will just upload it, the front image and back image separately. The things that you need to keep in mind while uploading your documents, the document should be in a good resolution. All four corners of the document should be visible in the scanned image, and also there should be nothing blur on your document. So keep these things in mind. And for your bank statement, you can just get your bank statement from your bank. If you want to get your account earlier and without any error, then it will be best if you visit your bank account and then ask them to give you your bank statement, and you can just get the print of your bank statement and ask your bank to provide a stamp and signature of the bank manager on your bank stamp. So it will be easy for actually Amazon to verify your information. You can also upload your electronic bank statement, but because I have lot of experience in the creation of Amazon seller center account, mostly when we uploaded bank statement with the bank stamp and signature, they just accept the document. So if you can get your bank statement from bank with the stamp and signature, then it will be best. Okay, I have just uploaded the front image of my national ID. Now I know I will upload it the back side of the image, and after that I will just uploaded the bank statement. So I'm going to repeat again. You can create your Amazon individual account on your personal detail or on your LLC detail. You can create your Amazon professional account on your personal detail and your LLC detail. uh, these things that you should keep in mind while creation of your Amazon seller account is that your document should be is very good resolution, in very and your residential address should be same and it is on your document. And if you are going to create your LLC, then write your business address and residential address same as is written on your document. Means that if you have your LLC address and you have and your personal address different, then you have just provide the business address of your LLC and your personal address as it is written on your document as a residential address. So it will be easy for Amazon to create your Amazon account without any errors. So after that, Amazon will take 1 to 2 days to verify that provide information, and then they will send OTP postcard on your desk. So if you like this video, just subscribe the channel. And if you are getting any error in your account creation, you can just comment, and also you can contact me for consistency and any kind of help in Amazon business. You can just reach me up. So thank you so much. Not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you.